We were made to feel. But to feel what? Drained? Stressed? Anxious? With Maid Easy, we eliminate a common household task to help you regain control. We believe that a clean home shouldn't come at the expense of your time. And when you hire our team of dedicated and knowledgeable cleaning professionals, you'll ask yourself, wow, is it really that simple? The answer is yes, because making things easy is what we do. From our quality and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to our trusted cleaning techniques, Maid Easy is the go-to residential cleaning company in the city. Our customers love our world-class customer service and our dedication to help you reclaim what matters most. So forget feeling overwhelmed, because you're made to feel at home.